Hello everyone, happy Sunday. So for today's video guys, I will be sharing with you a Bible verse. It is from the book of James, chapter 4, verse 7. Submit yourselves then to God, resist the devil, and he will flee from you. So sometimes we want to be in control of our own lives. We follow what we want even when we know it's not right. And siguro sa to ang mga tao no, murag na normal na gid siya. But this verse reminds us that true strength is found in submitting to God. When we surrender to His will, we are not alone in our struggles. Our faith becomes our shield against evil. Resisting temptation is not easy, but with God, evil loses its hold and flees. So, today, I am asking myself and also pod sa inyo ha, are we really truly submitting to God's will or are we still trying to take control? So, guys, actually, I am sharing this Bible verse that uh, I was told to share. Guys, I'm not living a holy life. I commit mistakes and karon no nga kana makaistorya na ko no. Ako siyang i-share sa inyo ha. Kaya ang guilt everyday gud siya sa akong dugan gabuto-buto gud akong dughan guys. So last September 2025, I had a dream and then I was told nga i-share gid siya pero wala na ko siya na-share siguro tungod sa ka-busy o realizing nga I'm not fit in sharing a Bible verse. And then, to make the story fast forward, atong November, na surgery ko. And then after that surgery, no, imbis nga katong nga time, murag sige din kung i-share na ko siya. Di ko kaistorya, makuan siya, kaya sakit kaya akong babak mag-istorya bitaw ko. And then, fast forward na pod, last January, nadamguan na pod na ko siya, og I was told to share, pero atong nga time, hindi pa gyapon ako kaya nga mag-istorya bitaw og taas-taas. So, last Holy Week, so recently lang gyud, nagdamgo na pod ko ato, the same gyapon nga damgo no. So ang guilt gyud sa kuha murag grabe na gyud kay siya ka kusog gyud kay ang buto-buto sa akong dughan. So right now I'm sharing this. Nasuko kay si Lord, he wanted us to repent. And sa ako ang damgo, ningit-ngit ang kalibutan, ug nag-ulan og kalayo ato. So cool ba kay pag mata kay murag kuan gyud siya, realistic gyud siya, magdili siya damgo murag tinuod gyud siya. Punto siya ko nagbatong September 2025. And then atong January, nagdamgo na sad ko the same gyapon nga nagpanig ang tawo, ningit-ngit ang kalibutan. So nagbuto-buto na gyud ako dughan, ano wala gyud ako siya na-share. And then last katong recently na pod, itong Holy Week nadamgo na pod nako nga moto sa ningit-ngit ang kalibutan. So I am not sharing this to create panic guys, no. I'm just sharing this because I was told to do so. And once again, I'm not holy. I'm not living a perfect life. I commit mistakes. And dili lang gyud ako ma-bear ang buto-buto sa akong dughan everyday, knowing that sige ko og ampo pero dili ko gatuman sa kung sa ginasugo sa kuha. So I don't know what you are thinking right now, but I encourage you to pray, to ask forgiveness. It's because tao naman gid ta, makasala naman gid ta. And I am encouraging you also to forgive. These words are really big words guys no because we are only human. Pero sa pag-ampo and sa everyday na to nga pakigistorya sa Ginoo ato alam gyud siyang mabuhat. So God bless everyone. Thank you so much for finishing this video. Bye.